What if I told you that South Delhi is now home to something it has never seen before? Let me take you to a place where luxury meets height, quite literally. Welcome to the first ever 100-meter skyscraper in South Delhi. Yes, you heard that right. Not Gurgaon, not Noida, but Delhi. Tucked in the most elite lane of Chhatarpur, this project, Sky Mansion by Rizlan India, is going to have the most influential people of Delhi around you. So you are not just going to buy a home, you are going to enter a league. Imagine waking up to these green views and not concrete. Just 3 kilometers away from Asola Bird Sanctuary, giving you the greenest views of the city. Well, it's a little rare to find a place that is this connected to nature and this connected to the heart of Delhi. And if you think this is all, let me show you how this project is designed for your well-being. Well, let's talk about the location and how to reach the project. From Saket, take the Mehrauli Badarpur road passing through the Qutub Minar metro station. It will lead you to the Sky Mansion through SSN Marg. The Vasant Kunj Marg leads you from Vasant Kunj to CDR Chowk, a seamless drive from Gurgaon down the NH 148A, driving past Sultanpur, Chhatarpur and Ghitorni metro station as you approach the CDR Chowk. The project promises a lot of scope of booming social infrastructure around this area, situated in the lively neighborhood of Ansal farmhouses and DLF Chhatarpur farmhouses of South Delhi. The project is located on a 45-meter road which will be expanded to 60 meters. It is the only 100-meter tall premium residential apartment in this part of the world, nestled in the lap of nature, overlooking a vast green expansion of Asola Bird Sanctuary. All you see is endless greenery. Delhi Airport is only 25 minutes away via Vasant Kunj Marg, a one-of-a-kind landmark in South Delhi, redefining the skyline of the city. Talking about the developer, Rizlan India, a Singapore-based multinational real estate empire which offers a wide range of services such as residential development, commercial real estate operations, property management and infrastructural construction and operation. Their presence is in India, US, UK, Australia, New Zealand, Indonesia, Thailand, Malaysia and in China. In India, they're in Delhi, Mumbai and Chennai. And here they have redefined Delhi's skyline. In Chhatarpur, India's opulent address with the elitist farmhouses zone near Aravalli Ranges and holistic, spiritual and wellness destination. This project, the Sky Mansion, is bringing uber living lifestyle in your life. This place is not for the ordinary. You will be getting smart, healthy, secure and connected homes with 5-star facilities, in-house property management, 5-level safety and a lot more. Let's not waste our time and know the project more. Now talking about the land patch of this project, it is 4.1 acres of land having 4 towers and a floor height of 26 floors with a total of 160 units. Plus we have an entrance lobby for each tower and we have 3 lifts having separate lift lobby for the helpers. Then we have 2 levels of still floors and 3 levels of basement parking. From Mitsubishi lifts with inbuilt air conditioning to video entrance systems at every tower for enhanced security. This project redefines comfort and safety at every step. Before I tell you about the configurations of 3 and 4 BHK plus the penthouse's size, I am going to explain to you about the community floor having a leisure of amenities here. Starting with this beautiful business lounge. Having this reception area, library, conference table and sitting area. You can have a cup of coffee here. Now coming from the business lounge, as you can see, I am walking through this beautiful green landscaping. On my left, there is this beautiful water fountains, and on my right, there is a beautiful restaurant bar that has been named as the celebrity table, and let's have a look at that. Here we also have an outdoor space, and here is our multi-cuisine 5-star restaurant having the management and chef from the Leela. And I can assure you, you can have the yummiest food they can offer you. That was a beautiful restaurant bar, and let's walk towards the next amenity. I think this is a very beautiful project. Personally, I am in love with this. Now next up on this floor, first we have the B Tower, and right in front of this, as I told you, is the lift lobby. And this is going to be our next spot, that is the swimming pool. Beautiful swimming area having a separate kids swimming area as well. Now on the right we have the gymnasium, which has world-class equipments and machines for people who want to maintain their active lifestyle. Now after the gym, as you can see, at the swimming pool, near the swimming pool, we have our shacks, open shacks. Anyone who wants to sunbath can sit or sleep here. Next up we have our sea tower. As you can see, on my right is the sea tower, and then we have actual separate areas for sunbathing. Can you imagine this? Have a look at this. And right in front of this, that means behind you, is this beautiful rain area. Here you can party, rain dance, hang out and have meals, as there also is a sunken dining table in the pool. That's actually lavish. That's more like a dip and dine table. Now we have here the kids play area that is going to be indoor. We have all the fun swings attached for the kids here, and the weather would definitely not control the day for your children. And this is going to be the indoor game room. Right here we have a table tennis, and on your right we have ice hockey table. We also have foosball. There are also sitting areas as well, and then here we have the 8-ball pool. The pool table. Here we have chess. Whatever you want to play here, any indoor games you can play. The whole project has a lot of greenery. Right here is going to be a senior citizen park, you can say, or a green area where you can walk, or there's a jogging track around the project as well. So you can have your leisure active time right here. We also have lawn tennis court and these beautiful jogging tracks in the project. And this is your green area. You can spend your mornings or the evenings here, sitting right in the grass and having the time of your life. Now, let's move towards the configuration sizes that are available in this project. The best thing is that there are only 2 units on each floor to maintain the privacy of residents. And now, let's explore our 3 BHK. There are 3 variants of 3 BHK. Type A having 3283 square feet size, Type B having 3255 square feet size, and Type C having 3359 square feet of size. Let's explore the sample unit now. You get a video doorbell through which you can see who is at your door, and you will get a digital lock on your main door as well. is going to be your luxurious 3 BHK. This is your living room and you will be getting 12 feet of ceiling height, which will give you a touch of grandeur. And this is your dining area, beautifully crafted. With imported marble flooring, acrylic emulsion paint on the walls, VRF air conditioning, centralized fresh air fan, LED lights and automated light control. Your homes will be as smart as you. In your open modular kitchen, you will be getting chimney, dishwasher, oven, gas stove and water purifier. This is going to be our first bedroom with a walk-in wardrobe and a washroom attached right here. And here we have the balcony attached as well. As you can see, this is going to be the running balcony having a beautiful view. Now let's explore the second bedroom. This is going to be our second bedroom, again with a walk-in wardrobe and an attached washroom with a beautiful balcony. And in this house you are going to have both north and south facing balconies, which will include a lot of sunlight and ventilation in your house. Now let's explore our master bedroom. And this is our master bedroom, absolutely beautiful, absolutely spacious, having an attached separate balcony. And right here we have our walk-in wardrobe, which is better in space. And right here we have a washroom, and here we have a separate area where you can attach your bathtub. And now let's explore our 4 BHK unit. There are 3 sizes in it. Type A, 3907 square feet. Type B will have 3898 square feet, and Type C will have 4046 square feet. There are more specifications in these units, so let's explore our sample flat. And this is going to be your 4 BHK unit. Enter and find luxury in this. This is going to be your living area with 12 feet ceiling height, imported marble floor, VRF air conditioning, LED lights, automated light control and a wireless panic button in the master bedroom that will be calling urgent help if someone is in the need. And this will be provided in every unit. That's our dining area, which can accommodate up to 8 to 10 seater dining table, and right in front of this will be your north facing balcony. Here is your island based open modular kitchen with a utility balcony attached, and this connects you to the servant quarter as well. With that you will be getting kitchen sink with mixer, chimney, dishwasher, oven, gas stove, water purifier, induction cooker and a gas detector. And this is our little space which can be converted and customized in a bar counter or whatsoever you feel like. A balcony is attached from here as well. The whole unit contains a lot of balconies, and that means good ventilation and a lot of sunlight in the whole unit. Here is our powder room and also the common washroom. And this is going to be our first bedroom that also consists of a balcony and a washroom. This can be converted as a guest room as well. And here is our second bedroom that has a balcony with a fantastic view. Here is a little walk-in wardrobe space with washroom attached. And right in front of this you will get your third bedroom. Again comes with an attached balcony, and this balcony will be south facing, and you will be getting both south and north facing balconies in the whole unit, and this comes with an attached washroom. And finally comes the master bedroom. Obviously has to be bigger space with a beautiful balcony, and here you can attach a 2 or 3 seater sofa as well. This has a lot of space. And here we have our bigger walk-in wardrobe. Finally is our washroom, Even the washroom has a balcony and a separate space for bathtub. Now let me also show you the raw unit. Have a look at the 4 BHK one. This will be the actual condition before we hand over this beautiful house to you. Let's also have a look at the triple-storied 5 BHK penthouse that will be on the top floors of the towers from 24th to 26th floor. Residents will have direct access to the 24th and 26th floors as well. Have a look at this huge space with such beautiful balcony space, and you can already see what kind of sunlight is entering the unit. That is our living and dining area space with staircase, with a private elevator, a powder room, an open modular kitchen. And this is going to be our first bedroom with a balcony, walk-in wardrobe and washroom. The second floor is the private floor for all the bedrooms and a private family space you can call. The third floor is finally our open space for parties and fun. You can have your private lawn area right here. And you can have a direct access to the lift lobby area as well. Well, to summarize everything we saw in the project is A1, having 5-layer landscape, conveniences for all the privileged, 5-star in-house property management team, and beautiful and smart homes designed only for you. Well, this was all about Brisland India's Sky Mansion project. If you think you are interested in investing here at this beautiful location and this luxurious project, then you can contact House Edge Consulting on 875000 5008, or you can WhatsApp us on the same number. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. This was your host and host Khushi with camera person Bhavna, signing off.